We are at Area 15. We're gonna go to the Omega Mart.
Hey, we did that.
And we're here.
It's cool. It's really cool.
Yeah, it is, right? Omega Mart. How you feeling, Kat? Luke, how you feeling?
I feel great.
CJ, you're finally here.
I know, I'm so excited.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Hot sauce. I'm looking at the advertisements right now. Yes, you can.
We're grocery shopping right now.
We are here.
What are we looking for?
All of the fresh fruit and squishies.
Squishies. Okay. What about macarons?
What? Yes, those too. Unfortunately.
Yeah, we had to throw it away.
It's sad. It's sad.
Okay, so let's see what they have. What are we cooking tonight? What's on the menu? What are we cooking tonight?
I don't know.
Okay,
Lots of veggies.
There's a potato sheet.
A potato sheet? Or oh, potato sheep. Oh, interesting. Wow. Peppers. Cool. Daikon, fresh daikon pals. Hi. Okay, so they have cool cabbage. It's only $999. That's a total bargain madness. Total bargain madness, total. What's that?
I don't know, but it's an empty avocado.
All right. Outdoor recreation.
Here we go.
It's okay.
Down the rabbit hole. Whoa!
Oh, there's a tunnel.
Wow.
What the?
Oh.
Wow.
Wait.
That's crazy.
Look at that. Oh, it's dark. I have to take a video. It's too
This
cool.
is crazy.
Wait, what about right there?
Please book to access.
I found a drawer. Yeah, there's a drawer here. Some notes.
I am equipped to receive this positive feedback.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay. All right, let's go.
Let's go. I need a card.
At Dramport, we reward exceptional employees. Exceptional employees. Which is why we think of you. Make it happen.
Great question today. We put a lot of ground.
We have to go find Harvey.
Harvey, okay. Harvey Dent.
I guess you have to know a specific number.
Okay.